Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this brand new 2018 Ford Fusion SE. Let me know what you think. We have this brand new 2018 Ford Fusion SE front wheel drive. It does have the 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and it's pretty well loaded to the gills. You have the white frost exterior with black leather interior. There's about 15 miles on the odometer, so you still have all of the 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper coverage and 5-year 60,000 miles on the powertrain. If you have any questions on this Fusion, please do not hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity. Turn your business and trust. On the interior of this Fusion, you have power windows, power locks, keyless entry. It does have driver and passenger power seats with the leather heated front seats. On your steering wheel, you have Bluetooth audio and cruise control. Automatic headlamps. It is push button start. It does have automatic start as well. You have the Sync 3 audio system with navigation, dual climate, again heated seats. You got home link for your garage door opener, power moonroof up top. Just a classy look with that white with black interior. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613.